Hello learners, welcome to the complete ethical hacking course, Exploring Secrets of Hackers. In previous module, we have learned what is keylogger and how you can use it in your system. In this module, we will learn that how you can use some more technologies like spywares, steganography, staganalysis, and some other technologies. So let's proceed. First, spyware. What is spyware? Spywares are programs that reads user interaction with computer and sends them to hacker remotely. This is similar to keylogger. Yes, the same thing because keylogger also grabs your keystrokes or Trojan, but the same main feature of spyware is it hides itself in the system. So if somebody asks you that what is the main feature of spyware because they are same like keylogger and Trojan, you can tell them the main feature of spyware is to hide themselves. It allows attackers to gather information about the target secretly, such as email addresses, user logins, credit card numbers, banking credentials, etc. These are work of spywares. Spyware softwares are available in market like Spyware Spy Agent, Power Spy 2014, NetVisor, Remote Desktop Spy, Spectre Pro, Activity Monitor, NetNanny. So these are some spyware softwares available in your market and on internet. Steganography. What is steganography? Steganography is the art and science of hiding information by embedding messages within other seemingly harmless images or other type of media. So steganography is a process in which you can hide some secret messages behind any image, any video, any audio, any document, etc. That is called steganography, to hide secret messages within the documents. There are two types of steganography, technical and linguistic. Then linguistic also divided into two, semograms and open codes. Steganography defined. Here you can see in the pic here that steganography defined is like the word steganography comes from the Greek word steganos, meaning covered or secret, and graphy meaning writing or drawing. Therefore, steganography literally means covered writing. This is a secret message inside a document. So image, if you want to do image steganography, then you can use quick stego tool. You can download it from internet. Audio steganography, you can download Deep Sound. Video steganography, you can download OmniHide Pro Masker. Document steganography, you can download WB Stego. See, these are the tools you can use in your system to hide something behind them. If you are using mobiles, if you don't have any laptops, then you can also use steganography tools from mobile, like Steganography Master, Stegis, Spypix, Pocket Stego, Secret Letter, Da Vinci Secret Message, Stack Droid Alpha, and Stack-O-Matic. These are some tools you can use in your mobile to hide something, right? What is staganalysis? Staganalysis is the art of discovering and rendering covered messages from steganography. Means this is the art which finds out that there is steganography in this image. So there are some detection tools also for steganography like Gargoyle Investigator Forensic Pro, Stagosuit, some Stag Detect, Stag Spy, Image Stagano, Steganography Studio, and all. So these are the tools for staganalysis, and the main is Gargoyle Investigator Forensic Pro. This tool is very important for you because this tool can gather information that there is steganography behind this document. So this is all about our hacking systems part 4, and in next video we are learning and finishing this module.